Hey wonderful, welcome back. You are watching DS Creation 7. Recheado masala is originated from Goa. This masala is a classic balanced taste of spicy, sour and a little bit of sweet. Recheado masala is so versatile that it can be used in multiple recipes. Now, let's begin with the ingredients required for the paste. Here I have taken Kashmiri red chilies nicely washed. If you don't have Kashmiri chilies, you can use any dried chilies. I'm using Goan vinegar, but if you don't have, use the best vinegar which is available in your country. 1 fried onion with oil until translucent. Cinnamon, pepper, clove, cumin, sugar. You can use jaggery instead of sugar if you have. Tamarind, ginger and garlic. It's best to use fresh ginger garlic rather than a ready-made paste. I have used this masala in many of my recipes, so stay tuned to my channel for the upcoming videos. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Add all the spices and grind it to a very fine paste. You can also use turmeric powder, that is optional. My granny, she doesn't use turmeric powder. The quantities are displayed in the description box below. Do check out my other videos, the links are in the description box below. Add salt to taste. The Recheado masala is now ready. This masala can be preserved for up to 3 months. Thank you for watching. See ya until my next video. Amor amor.